Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you my latest AliExpress buys. So prepare yourself, it's kind of like a medium length video. I've done way longer AliExpress haul videos before, but this is the first one in months because the mail was really slow because of the current situation, all of the stuff that's going on in the world at the moment. So yeah, first up I actually got 10 sets of swatch nail sticks, and I got those from GG Nail Art products. They were €1.60 each, and of course I will leave any links to any of the products in the comment section down below. Just ask me for some specific products that we would like the links of. And yeah, now that's out of the way, let's continue with the next thing I am already showing you right here, which are really cute nail art stickers. So all of these stickers I got for only 54 cents a sheet, which is really affordable in my opinion. The sheets are quite large, the stickers are like true stickers, these aren't like water decals or anything like that, but you can just peel them off, stick them onto your nail, add a top coat and you're good to go. And the stickers are really thin, and that is something that I really love because that's really easy to work with, and once you add your top coat you don't really see the edges of these stickers anymore, so that is a big plus in my opinion. But all of these stickers I got from the store called Bow Mall Official Store. Once again, if you would like the link to these, just let me know in the comments down below and I will try to look it up for you. The reason why I don't share all of the links to all of the products in the description box or in the pinned comment is just because a lot of the times sellers actually discontinue selling specific products and then the links don't work anymore and it's just one big hassle. So if you want any links, just let me know for what item and I will look it up for you, and just to see and check if it is still available, because most of these items I actually ordered way back in November 2019 and it took forever to get in. So yeah, I was actually having quite a bummed out day earlier this week, and I actually got a notice that there was a little package at my postal office. So yeah, this pretty much made my day. So yeah, it took months and months for it finally to arrive, but it did arrive on the best possible day because I was really having a crappy day, to be honest, and this just totally cheered me up. But yeah, all of these little sheets were really inexpensive, just 54 cents in euros each, and I think I can do some really cute nail art with these as well. And yeah, you don't need any like super nail art ninja skills or anything like that to work with stickers. Then the next package, all of the items I'm showing you right here are from the Tracy Nail Art and Makeup Beauty. That is like the name of the seller or the store. So I've got some really nice like toenail soakers. You know, I have a lot of these clips for just my fingernails, but I love to do my toenails as well, and I love to do gel polish on those, so you have to soak that off with acetone. So I just got 2 sets, and those were $1.34 for each set, so quite affordable as well. Then I've got this really cute cat like image plate or stamping plate. This one is quite small and quite of like a unique shape, but this one was just €1.38. And then I also got like a really random plate in like a set with 10 sponges. Like, I don't know. It was a really random set and it was really inexpensive. It was just €1.63 in euros, and I got like a stamper and scraper with it and everything. So yeah, that was a pretty good deal, and I was just really curious to see if it would be any like good quality or something like that, just to see if it was like worth the money. But it was just like $1.63, so that was really inexpensive. Then I also got a ton of like little packets with nail foils. I'm pretty much obsessed with nail foils. Ever since I tried them again, kind of rediscovered them again back in December last year. So I really want to do some more like nail foil designs as well, just practice with them a little bit more and also see if I can use them really easily on gel polishes as well, because I never use any of these like nail foils on my gel manicures. A lot of you guys who have been following me for a longer period of time know that I always wear gel polishes on my right hand and regular polishes on my left hand. That is just because I love doing videos and making nail art with both. And I just did like my right hand will be gels, my left hand will be nail polishes. I don't know, I just came up with that once and just stuck with it, you know? But yeah, I got a lot of cute foils. I'm not going to open every single packet because there are like 10 to like 16 or sometimes even 20 foils in a pack. But I got some really cute galaxy ones. I'm just going to open a couple of them, just not all, because this video would be way too long. And I didn't want to make a super long video because I just recorded this on Friday I think it's the 3rd of April. And I'm already going to upload this in less than 12 hours. So I'm kind of like in a hurry and a rush to show you this. And I just really want to get this video up because I know that a lot of you actually have been asking me to do a new AliExpress video. But since the mail was so slow due to all of the horrible stuff going on in the world at the moment, it just took forever. So I really want to like hurry up and share this video with you guys. But these foils are actually quite cute. I did get like some doubles as well, so I'm just going to put all of the doubles aside and put them in a giveaway that I really want to host whenever I hit that 25k subscriber mark. I'm not even at 22k at the moment, but I'm already planning on doing a new giveaway when I hit 25,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, I really appreciate if you would subscribe to me and hit that gray notification bell as well. That way you know when I upload new videos, which is actually regularly on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. But yeah, let's just continue to the next packet, because all of the items I'm going to show from now on are from one and the same order and seller. I got all of these items from Full Beauty official store, and these little leaf glitters, I actually bought them like separately, not in like a set or something, but they were packaged as like one kit. But I got those for just 43 cents a pot, and there are a ton in here. These are like those maple leaves, like the Canadian flag leaf, I'd say, in different colors. They're all super holographic, which I pretty much love. And yeah, that was just a little quick overview. Then I also got some beautiful packs of 8 pots of glitter. I got a couple of those, and these sets were all, let me check real quick, around €1.80. So I got a full on silver one, I've got a mixed colored one. These are kind of like opalescent as well, kind of like multicolored, which I pretty much love. I think you can really easily mix those with acrylic as well, but since I've never used acrylics before in my life, you can just get a kit and try it out yourself if you're more of an acrylic kind of girl. Then I got a full on gold glitter set, a lot of holographicness going on in that as well. Then I've got a mix of like gold, a little bit of like silver, and just some like really big like chunky flakes and stuff like that, kind of like shards if you can say it like that. And then I've got a little pink set as well. I really love the fact that there are different tones of pink in here, as well as some tinsel glitter as well. I think that's really cute and really cool to actually have in your collection. I rarely see designs where tinsel glitter is used. So yeah, if you have like any tips or anything of like other nail art channels that you love to watch, just let them know or let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm always really curious to see new YouTubers as well. I just showed you some foil glue that I got, which was just €1.12. Again, pretty affordable for, I think it's like a 15 milliliter bottle. And then again, I got some cute foils. But while I was unboxing this, I actually saw that I had some doubles. So yeah, that is something that happens if you have to wait for months and months for your packages to arrive. You kind of forget what you already have ordered but didn't get in yet. So once again, all of the doubles I will just put aside, put them in like a giveaway box. And yeah, I just want to host another giveaway pretty soon. So all of the doubles, you know, that happens. Fortunately, these were really inexpensive. All of the foil sets were around €1 to €1.10. So that was pretty inexpensive. Then I really wanted to show you this little packet because I love Halloween. I love everything that's to do with Halloween. Unfortunately, here in the Netherlands, we don't really celebrate Halloween that, like, it's not like a big thing here yet. I do feel like it is kind of growing on us Dutch people. But yeah, it's just huge in the US, of course. But I just think that these foils are so cute. And I just can't wait until it's October again. Of course, it's my birthday in October. But yeah, I'm just such a fall girl. And I just love Halloween. I just can't wait to actually use these. I think there are a ton of cute designs on these as well. And then again, they were so inexpensive. I would highly suggest to just go on Aliexpress. They have like a lot of sales as well. I actually bought all of these items during the 11/11 sale, which is like a yearly thing, like an annual thing that Aliexpress does. I know that they also have like an annual sale in March, but of course it's April already. But they have like a lot of sales all the time. But yeah, this was already the entire haul for now. I am going to go online on AliExpress and see if I can find some new cute stuff. Hopefully that will arrive a little sooner than these did. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. And as usual, I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video.